My name is Päivi Talonen. I am the Chief Marketing Officer at Raute Corporation, and I'm an enthusiastic thinker on customer journeys, customer insight, and the way how we should and could understand each other. And that is why I have 3 topics to talk to you about today. 1, how to find the way to understand your need, how Raute's new R Series thinking answers to every single different kind of need of yours. And finally, how are we going to find the right fit to whichever need you have today and tomorrow? To get yourself geared, please close your eyes for a little while and just picture. Did it ever happen to you in your life when purchasing something that you had a feeling, you guys, this is not what I asked for. This is not at all a fit to my need. Didn't you guys listen to what I said? No. I really didn't want to have the latest innovation, nor a fully automatic, whatever you are offering. So please, start listening. So how do we understand each other? How should I, as a seller, work to understand your need? Where does the need come from? Is it something that arises from internal resources or reasons or outside? Is it related to end market or end products? Or is it related to resources in materials and labor? Where does the need arise from? And that is the big question of today. What do we need to do together to really understand your need? It all starts with 3 verbs. Only 3 verbs we all need to remember to act on. Listen, discuss, and see. Listen. Listen carefully what you have to say. Listen carefully what there is that you want to say. A very normal problem for sellers is that we think we know, but actually we don't. You know. So we really need to listen. Then we need to discuss the second word. Discuss. So we discuss to share information from your side and our side. So by discussing, we can reach the common target, the target being to find the right fit for you. And the right fit for you, believe or not, is also the right fit for me and our company. Without really knowing what your need is, for really not finding the solution to your need, we are never able to fulfill the need you have. What usually happens in your end first is that, okay, you guys have detected the kind of need you have. It's a challenge, it's a bottleneck, it's something new, or it's something that you have to fix an old thing or repair something. You have a need, and it has somehow something behind it. It arises from somewhere. You have detected it. What do you do next? You start to search for the solution and brands that you think and hope that will be the fit to your specific need, bearing in mind that you know very well that the need you have today is not the same as you have tomorrow. And whatever you are going to purchase, a big investment, for instance, for your production, it needs to live for years, and it needs to adapt to the needs that arise also tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So it's hard for you, really, to go to the right companies, the right people to talk to. That means that you have to listen, we have to listen, you have to talk, we have to talk in order to find the problem and find the solution for that. And finally, the third verb to follow is to see. It's to see. It's to vision. It means that we need to see and use the vision from both sides. to really find the reasons and to really find the future for you, the fit that is also a future fit. And it means that we need to also see data. Data, your data, and our data to support your data, to turn knowledge into understanding and value for you in use. You have to see behind and you have to see forward. And that is where data comes into the picture. We in Raute, we have listened to our customers and markets, highly evolving needs of our customers in question. And during these times, also the markets are changing extremely rapidly. So in 2020, we rethought our offering over again and came up with new means and new ways of talking about our offering. We call it the R Series, which we think is a perfect fit to whatever need you guys might have. We have thought that we need to have complete series that you can choose from. But think about Audis and Volvos and many other brands. They come in series that fulfill different kinds of needs of people, series and features. But we all know that each one of those is of good quality, don't we? And it is exactly the same with Raute's R Series. No compromises. It's always the Raute quality, R Series. It's only that you have to find your series with our help. We assist you in finding exactly the fit to your need of today, the need that you have detected yourself. Is it capacity? Is it the end customer need? Is it the market regulation need? Is it a change in your raw materials? Is it from the fact that for instance, your blocks that you get to your factory are really small in diameter or really big in diameter? Is it from the fact that you need to produce bulk or you need to produce niche products? The end customer is needing something more, so you need to add on something. How much money do you have? That's also one thing that detects that what is your need. So it's just finding your series. We have made it really easy for you. We have an R3, R5, R7. The series now available from Raute for you to choose from, for you to make the fit to your specific needs. And it's not purely R3 series or R5 series or R7 series production, but it can be any combination of those. Different parts of your production might be fitted with just R3. So you don't need to have all R7s, but in some parts of the production, you might need an R7. So we have made it this really flexible, really easy to you, based on your specific need. So there is a fit for you every single time. So what do we say about the R3, for instance? We can have some adjectives for it. It's standard, it's really plug and play, it's really compact, meaning that you only need very small space for it. It's also very fast and easy to install and take in use. It fits to anybody who is new in the industry, but it fits also to those who have been around in the industry for decades. It depends on your need. Starting a production as a newcomer, or are you needing add-on capacity, or you need to have very agile and affordable production in one of your factories and so on. So think about R3 as your series or choice for that specific one. R5 then, that's the proven workhorse of the industry that really gives the capacity that we know it can do. Some of the R5 series products from Raute delivered in the 1970s are still running strongly, producing exactly what they have been promised to do. So reliable, also we could say sustainable it is. Tell me another machine that runs for 50 years or more. We don't know how long this would be, but it's a proven workhorse that has a proven capacity and can do exactly what it has been promised to do. It's also easily upgradable, meaning that you can add on latest modernizations and upgrades and even get features that have not been there in the beginning. So it lives for a long time through different kinds of upgrades to adapt to your specific needs. What comes to the R7 then? With R7 you get fully automized, fully data-driven, very many different kinds of add-ons. It's data capturing, analyzers, grading, very flexible to changing production needs and so on. So that is the, well, as the numbers go, 357. The upper you go, the more features you get. But then again, you can just adjust them exactly to your need. A fit to your need, should the need come from internal sources or external sources? Should it come from production needs? Should it come from end product needs, like a mix of different grades and so on? Full capacity today, more capacity today, less tomorrow, and so on. Or if it comes from your raw material reasons or whatever, you need to change the forest that you are using for raw materials or the sources and so on. So think about that, different wood species, softwood, hardwood, your diameters as said before. And whatever the recovery or yield is that you are looking for, waste, no waste. I mean, this could go on and on and on. There is always a fit to your need, whatever it is with Raute, but only if we do it together. Together is a really, really a magic word. And the movie industry is full of togethers. I could say that you and us, you as a buyer, we as a seller, we could be a team like 007 and Q. 007, like you, the superhero of your industry. You know all the insights. You are the one who knows your business. You are the one who really knows where are you heading to. You have a goal to reach. We then would be the Q, the expert, bringing the latest knowledge and technologies and solutions to the table to help you reach the goal that you have, the target that you have. Your target and my target, it's exactly the same, it's equal. To find the best fit for your need. Which brings me back to the first part of my speech 5 minutes ago. Remember the 3 words: listen, discuss, see. Dare to share with us all the insights, including data. And then we are able to do this together. Now, I would say thank you for listening.